This is the Bissell Little Green. It's the Max Pet SmartMix. And I wanted to talk about it a little bit because it's actually one of the harder models to get. Not saying that it's hard to get, but you just can't buy it anywhere. A lot of the different models you can buy at large retailers, you can get them almost anywhere. But this one specifically, you can only get directly from their website or online from Amazon. And the cool thing is, I really do like this model because it's got a couple features here that a lot of the machines don't have. And the one feature here that I really like is the dual tank that mixes your cleaning solution, or you could switch it off and just use water. Let me show you that a little bit more in detail here. So if we take off the clean water tank, we look here and it's got two chambers. On this side, you're gonna fill it up. You just unscrew this, fill it up with water. And then on this side, you have your cleaning solution. So if you get the little red ball here, and that gives you an idea so you can just kind of look at it and see where your cleaning solution is. So it's just for visual effects, so you can just see at a glance how much cleaning solution you have left. So I thought that was pretty slick, and it's a really cool feature here that the other Max Pet models do not have, and again, you can only get them with select retailers, so I thought that was pretty neat. Now, actually, right now, this one's cheaper than the other model. So there's another model, it's just the Max Pet. It doesn't have the dual chamber tank here. It's more expensive. It's $150 right now at the time of recording this video. But this one's on sale for like $120. So maybe they're trying to get rid of them. Maybe they weren't that popular. Maybe that's why they're only at select retailers, because people weren't buying or getting them as much. However, as a machine, I really do like it. I do love that feature. And then as far as just kind of the overall look and feel of it, I do enjoy it. It's got some cool features here as well with the wide lid here for your dirty water tank. So cleanup is really easy. Now with the original Bissell Little Green machine, it's an awesome machine. It works great. I've had great success and luck with it. I don't have it right here next to me. But the problem with it, and a major complaint that people have, is that the dirty water tank, you can't clean inside of it as easily. So if you don't rinse it out immediately, you can get some dried hair, dirt, dust, and debris and stuff inside of your dirty water tank that you just cannot get out of there. It's impossible to clean out of there. That's why I like this model here, because the dirty water tank here is so simple. It's so easy to take apart, and then you can clean everything really nicely, especially if anything gets away from you and maybe you don't clean it immediately after you use it. The nice thing is that you're not punished for that, because you can take the lid off and you can really scrub it down nice and easily. One of my favorite models here from Bissell, that's the Bissell Little Green Max Pet SmartMix model. Just thought I would share that. This is Cleaning Machines. My name is Drew. I talk about carpet cleaning machines, spot cleaners, vacuums, and things like that. So if you like that sort of stuff, feel free to check out some other videos. I'll see you in the next one.